Hi guys, today for you I have the August 2018 Yume Twins box. So let's take a look and see what we got. So this is our little pamphlet. We have Pikachu, a bunny, and a little bear, maybe a mouse, and they're enjoying Dreamland. Alright, so this is volume 27. This is the first page. It says Sumikko gurashi, I think. Are you familiar with the Sumikko Gurashi series? These cuties, characters created by Sanrio, and the series name Sumikko Gurashi translates to adventure in cuddly corners. What a fitting name for all these adorable characters that look perfect to cuddle up with. Alright, and then we have Konnichiwa, hello, our kawaii Yume Twins family. We are about to try to make a part of your day cute, relaxing, and this month we are about to make sure you end your day with a cute note. This includes when you are heading to bed after a fulfilling day. Your kawaii box this month is packed with items that will help you wind down and relax. Drift off into dreamland. Get ready to cuddle up with a cute plushie, write down your dreams, and feel relaxed with all these great items in this month. Dreamland box. That is the theme. We'll come back to this page. It says mini cooling pillow cover. It says, are you always flipping your pillow to enjoy the cool side? With this mini pillow cover, you won't need to worry about that any longer. Just slide over top of your pillow and you can enjoy a cool pillow all throughout the night. The cooling fabric makes it perfect for a pillow cover. And then we have photo contest. It says, for this month's photo contest, show off your favorite Pokemon. Draw a picture of your favorite Pokemon and take a picture of your work with your new sleeping Pokemon cable protector. Upload your photo to Instagram, Facebook, Twitter using the hashtag YT Pokemon Yume Twins September 10th, 2018 for a chance to win. We can't wait to see your entries. It says grand prize winner will win a Sailor Moon Luna shoulder bag. They spelled Luna wrong. Luna is L-U-N-E-A. No, L-U-N-A. They have L-U-E. And then they have Sailor Moon uniform wallet and 3 months of Yume Twins subscription, and the runner-up will win Sailor Moon plastic cup, 1 free month of Yume Twins. Here's some art that you guys did. This is a Yume prize. Happy 5th anniversary to Gumatuma. It says, did you know this year Gumatuma is 5th anniversary? We can't believe how quickly 5 years have gone by for this cutie's lazy egg around. To celebrate this occasion, Gumatama has a ton of collections going in through the year. With Gumata Hot Springs, Tsujube Station was decked out in Gumatama Train Main. Its debut, there is even a Gumatama McFluffy. There can even be too much Gumatama. And here is some photos. Alright. So the first thing in our box is our Pokemon, Sleepy Pokemon Cable Protector. Kawaii Pokemon are here. This was included to help you keep your phone cable safe while both you and your phone recharge as you sleep. This cute Pokemon cable protects comes in 1 to 6 possible designs. Which one did you get? So this is the box. We got Pikachu on the front. It says Pocket Monsters. Let's see. These are the two. This is EVs of all. I think it's electric. Oh no, wait. This is the dark one, and I'm assuming this is EV2, but I'm not 100% sure. And then that's the Fox Fiery one, and then you can get EV Pikachu and the regular looking one. All right. So let's see. And there's some Japanese there. Oh, we got the dark Eevee evolution. Oh, okay. So there she is, or he is. So I guess the cable just slides through. So you flip it upside down and you place the cable right in here. Alright, so that's our little Eevee guy. The next item is a relaxing fluffy plush. Let me take him out of his baggie, or her baggie. So this is what it looks like. It looks like I could get they got 3 different couple kinds you could get. This is relaxing fluffy plush. Need a cute partner to drift off to dreamland with? These cute relaxing puffy plushies are really ready to go with you, that they are already catching some Z's. This plushie is incredibly soft, and when you push their stomach on the adorable pill, snores come out. Which plushie design did you get? So these are the ones that you can get right here. You can get a little cat, a little bunny, a penguin, a bear, or is he a beaver? I'm not too sure what he is. This little creature here, I don't know what it is, and then a raccoon. So let's make him squeak. So this is the tag. So the only thing wrong with this guy, I don't know if you can tell, but his stitching right there is a little pulled. But other than that, he's okay. So the next thing is, let's see, just some skipping around here. So the mini cooling thing. I got this one right here. Has no design or anything. It says, keep cool as you sleep, relax into your bed with this mini cooling cover. The fabric is specially designed to provide a cooling sensation with you using it. The front side uses the cooling fabric, and the back side can be stretchy strap that helps attach to any pillow. This comes in 2 different designs. So they're both this dog breed. It either comes in green, or this blue, and I got the blue one. So we got the kid dog here, and there's this tag. It says draw a circle, set the filter. So it's all like tea and coffee. Next one is a sumikko gurashi wash towel. Let's open this up. Oh, it's so cute! Look at it! Here, let's see if I can. There you go. So it says, when you get ready to bed, it's always best to quickly wash your face so you can go to sleep feeling fresh. This sumikko gurashi wash towel is here to make every part of your bedtime routine available. This towel is 34 centimeters by 36 centimeters in size and comes in 2 possible designs. Which ones did you get? The other design is this one right here. So that's that. The next thing is a kawaii sanrio notebook. Ooh, we got little twin stars. Let's see. Have a kawaii dream that you want to remember. Use your new kawaii sanrio notebook as a dream diary. Keep these right by your bedtime. Right when you wake up, you can write down what you saw dreamland. These come in 2 possible designs. What dreams did you get? So we got the my little twin stars. We got his little friends. They're on a unicorn. So here's the little notebook. It does come with the elastic so you can close it. And here is the other design you can get. I don't know if you can see it. It's this one right here. And the last thing in our box is a kawaii animal bookmark. Ooh, I got a panda. Because many of these people love to read as they wind down after a long day, so we included this kawaii animal notebook mark. It is slim design, so your book spine pages won't bend while using it. Sticky notes are also attached to the bookmark, so you can remember any interesting story spots easily. So they look like they come in different ones. Right here you could get the panda, a pig, a fox, a monkey, and a cat. Alright, so that's all the things in our August Yume Twins box. And I'll tell you what my favorite one was. My first favorite was the towel with the little dinosaur and his friends. And then my second favorite was this notebook. And then my fourth favorite is this. And then my fifth is the little teddy bear. And then the last is this. I like this a lot too. I like everything in this box. I'm just saying what I like in the order. Alright, I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.